been like it for a long
I
time.
know.
I reckon they just don't want to spend the money, I suppose.
That's terrible.
Yeah.
It's such a... What the fuck?
Fucking oath!
You...
What a stupid cunt!
Oh... You bastard.
What the hell was he
Yeah,
doing?
well, it wasn't. He's looking down. And he was... I saw his face. His eyes were down, so he's obviously on his phone or something.
Fuck
oh my
me.
God. That was so close to him head on.
I was looking for my horn. I was thinking, ah!
What an arsehole. Oh.
Around the corner, look at your phone.
Yeah.
Really? What a dick.